The rise of coding bootcamps and technology training schools. In recent years, a new wave of educational institutions has emerged, often referred to as coding bootcamps or trade schools. These programs focus on equipping students with the skills necessary for high-demand jobs in technology and IT. With durations typically around 6 months, they offer a fast track to job readiness, making them appealing to many individuals looking to switch careers or enhance their skill sets. Key areas of study. The most popular areas of study within these programs include web development, data science, cybersecurity, user experience, UX design, and software engineering. Each of these fields is in high demand, reflecting the growing reliance on technology across various industries. In addition to coding skills, many boot camps also focus on teaching widely used business software. Programs often include training on enterprise resource planning, ERP, tools like SAP and supply chain management software. This combination of technical knowledge and software proficiency prepares graduates for a variety of roles in the job market. Partnerships and job placement. Many coding boot camps partner with established companies to enhance their training programs and improve job placement rates. Some programs offer income share agreements, allowing students to pay tuition only after securing employment. This model not only reduces financial risk, but also aligns the boot camp's success with its students' career outcomes. With their emphasis on practical skills and job readiness, coding boot camps are becoming an increasingly popular option for those seeking to enter or advance in the tech industry. The most popular and trusted companies that offer such training are General Assembly, Flatiron School, App Academy, Wagon, Thinkful, Ironhack, Springboard, CareerFoundry, Reactor, and Coding Dojo. The most popular areas of studies chosen by students these days are software engineering, web development, data science, cybersecurity, UX/UI design, data analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, DevOps, and enterprise resource planning systems. Here's a list of well-known companies that often hire from coding boot camps or are involved in tech and business training. Google, Facebook, now Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, IBM, Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and Cisco. These companies are frequently seeking skilled tech professionals in areas like software engineering, data science, and cybersecurity.